In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable dark mode on YouTube. As you can see, this is the light mode on YouTube. As you can see, by default, your YouTube is going to be on light mode. So to change this to dark mode is very simple and very basic to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you log into your YouTube account. As you can see, we are in my YouTube account now. So what you want to do here, if you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see a round shape over there. That is your profile. I want you to tap on that. So once you tap on that, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to check the top right corner. The top right corner, you are going to see the settings icon over there. I want you to tap on that settings icon. So once you tap on that settings icon, it will take you to this to this back end. So on here, you want to tap on general. So once you tap on general, it will take you to this page. So on this page, I want you to tap on appearance. So once you tap on appearance, so you have the opportunity to change this. You have the use device theme, you have the dark theme, or you have the light theme. So you just want to tap on dark theme. So once you tap on light theme, your YouTube account will be changed to the dark mode. So let's go back to confirm. As you can see, our account has been changed to the dark mode of YouTube. So guys, this is how you can actually enable dark mode on YouTube. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.